Governor Dr. Patrick Njoroge has reiterated that a law introduced in September 2016 capping interest rate on loans will soon be removed. His stand has, however, been clouded by members of Parliament who have rejected the National Treasury's request to scrap the lending rates. Brenda Kerubo with more details.
In September 2016, the government introduced a law that set the maximum limit that commercial banks can charge customers at 4 points above the central bank's benchmark rate, currently pegged at 9%. But according to the Central Bank of Kenya, the law has led to a private sector credit squeeze. This as banks shun lending to customers deemed too risky. National Treasury requested Parliament to repeal the law during the budget reading, but the High Court ruled in March this year that the section of the law capping rates was unconstitutional. The court gave Parliament a year to amend it. MPs have refused to remove the caps but seem to be warming up to amendments contained in the Finance Bill 2019. In the amendments tabled by Jude Jomo, who also sponsored the original regulations that came into effect in 2016, the MPs are seeking to remove ambiguities in the law as directed by the courts. Jomo has also proposed that all lenders must get the information of their clients' next of kin who would be automatic beneficiaries of the money left in bank accounts should the holder die.
The only thing that are not charged for in banks these days is the air you breathe. But so long as you step there, you ask for just to get your account, you ask to be advised on anything, of course it is charged.
The interest rates is very, very high, and when many cannot afford to go and borrow, you'll find that even creating employment to some of the businesses becomes difficult.
Members of Parliament have accused commercial banks of being insincere, citing removal of the caps will only benefit a few. CBK Governor Patrick Njoroge is, however, optimistic on using other mechanisms to get rid of the lending caps.
Be assured that with time, as soon as possible, that will be removed. There are other mechanisms that are going on, but I think in general terms, that is a temporary deviation.
After members of the National Assembly unanimously passed the amendment bill at the second reading, the mover, Jude Jomo, will reply next week Wednesday before it is read for the third time.